Hey, what's up? Arvin here. On today's episode, I'm going to be drawing this quick, dirty sketch of a convertible. So let's get started. Hey, welcome to Driven to Draw. My name is Arvin, and today we're going to be going over a quick car sketch. It's more or less just a doodle, and we're going to spend only about 5 minutes of real-time sketching here, and I'm just going to show you my my general technique as I start to plan out the sketch. So when I start my sketches, I start with an ellipse, and I start with my minor axis, which is what you can see here, and I try to put in a profile view in perspective of my 2-point perspective here of the shape of the car that I want to draw. I'm just using a Prismacolor green, I think it's an olive green marker or something like that. It doesn't matter what you use. And I call these like quick, dirty little sketches because they're not refined. They're very scrappy, I suppose. That's kind of the word for it. And they're not meant to look very clean. It's just doodling. It's like just relaxing, sitting down and just drawing without any constraints or any worry, not caring about how it's gonna look, and just having fun with it. So I start to plan out the general profile shape that I want to have for this car, and I'm gonna draw a convertible here, and I just draw the shape of the convertible, and then I kind of extrude that over to the other side. So you can see how on my side view I've got one shape, and then in perspective I project that other curves to the other side, and then I connect them with just a couple curves. I have a curve here in the front of the car, and then I've got a curve right here in the rear that I'm joining them. And notice I'm not making the line straight, because if you make the line straight, then it's going to look a little boxy. I show this on a lot of my other videos of how to set up cars starting with a box. I do start off with straight lines, but then I start to show you how to carve away at it. Now, if you like this kind of content, you love drawing cool cars, be sure to subscribe to this channel for more tips on how to draw cars and how to improve your sketching abilities in general. So now I've got my windshield, and notice that I'm really making block shapes. I start with these basic forms, get these block shapes in there, and I'm basically just setting them on top of the shape of the car. I've got my center line there, if you're wondering what that line is going across, and now I'm just going to start adding a little bit more details here with the side view mirrors. And then I'm just going to slowly go in and reinforce some of the lines to add a little bit of line weight and put some seats in there. Got a dashboard, throw in what I'm going to indicate is the steering wheel. And then here I'm going to define the shape of the door and also the hood of the car where the convertible top is stored. You're going to put a little side vent similar to what you see on Mustangs. I'm going to add a little thickness here to the wheel. I'm just kind of freestyling it. Okay, so last part of this is just going to put in some spokes, and this should kind of wrap everything up. Again, these are great habits to start when you're sketching, just to kind of enjoy the process of learning. That's all I have today. If you enjoyed this, please subscribe to my channel. And if you got any questions, go ahead and comment below. We'll see you next time on Driven to Draw. Have a good one, folks.